Today I'm going to be reviewing Xuerdon 168 piece 46 millimeter coin capsule case, and it also has these little foam pieces that you can fit in there, and I'll show you in just a second. But I first want to thank Xuerdon for sending this to me to review. It's really a cool kit. I mean, obviously there's a lot in here. They can be a little bit hard to grab, but there's dividers in here that you can take out. So if you're having issues grabbing one, then you can just pull that out. So that was one of the things that I saw. Not a big deal. Really cool. Then this is what they look like. Let me show you. This is what it looks like closed. And then I opened one, and you can see it was a little hard to get the top off. Not impossible. Just keep that in mind. But it comes with this, like I said, and you can see the different sizes in there. And now you've got a nice protector for your coins. It's a really good idea. This does well on Amazon. It gets 4.5 stars, 235 reviews. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.